Whether you're localizing for global audiences or just playing around with multi-language content, FFmpeg makes it super seamless to swap or add an audio track to your video. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to add a foreign language audio track to your videos using only command line and no video editor required. Let's get into it. We're going to have a couple of use cases here, but the first one is going to completely replace the English with the French. So I have our terminal loaded up here, as well as our two files here. So our first one is going to be the original video file.
Darius, you talked earlier this
As you hear, it's in English.
iframe and web component players can be dropped right into your application.
Perfect, another tutorial.
Did you know that you can also...
And then we're going to take a look at the French dubbed version, or translated version here.
Darius, tu as parlé plus tôt cette semaine de la façon dont nos lecteurs iframe et web components peuvent être intégrés.
Great. First things first is FFmpeg, right? And then I stands for input. So we're going to do our first input, which is video.mp4. And then we're going to do our second input of French.m4a. Next thing is going to be -C:\v. So C stands for codec and V stands for video. That's how we select the video codec. And we're going to stream copy that because we don't need to encode it. Next thing, we're going to map both the streams into the locations that we want. So first thing is going to be the video stream. So we're just going to take the stream index 0, which is video.mp4. We're going to take the video stream of that, V, and the destination index is going to also be 0. So the first stream, right? Our second map parameter here is going to be 1, which is the 1 is index 1 of inputs, which is French.m4a. The audio of that, there's only audio. And then we're going to have that be in the index 0 destination. So going along to this. And for the audio, we are just going to also stream copy. So if we wanted to, I could have just done -C and just copy, but for learning purposes, it's a little easier this way. Replaced to MP4. That's going to be our output command. Right, we're going to run it, hit enter. All right, you see here, done. Let's take a listen.
Darius, tu as parlé plus tôt cette semaine de la façon dont nos lecteurs iframe et web...
Perfect, and if we wanted to see that it was just one audio stream, you can see here there's just one. This is the video here, and then the audio here as well. That's the first use case, which is just replacing the original audio track. Now we're on to use case 2, which is just to add an additional audio track and embed that in the MP4. So we have a replace one here, but again, same two assets here, and we are going to do something very similar. So if FFmpeg, of course, video.mp4 is our first, and then French.m4a, and then we are going to map both of the audio streams as well as the video stream here. 0:V is just selecting all video streams or the video stream. And then we're going to map all audio streams on the first input, and then we're going to map all audio streams on the second input. And then in this case, we are just going to stream copy both or all. And we're going to call this multi-lang. All right, so first input, second input, you're selecting the video stream, selecting the audio stream on the first input, selecting the audio stream on the second input. And we're going to copy all of them together. Okay, I'm going to run it. When we play it, it will likely... Yeah, you won't be able to... It will kind of merge them both together. But for this purpose, if we wanted to probe it and see... You see you have both. So in some players, they might play them together like QuickTime here, but these have both embedded here. Now let's see if we wanted to use like something like VLC and play it.
Darius, you talked earlier this week about how our iframe...
Right, you can just hear the English. Perfect. But if I wanted to select a different audio track, hit 2. And we hear the French. And that's use case 2. And that's how you add foreign language audio tracks to your videos. Great for localization, accessibility, AI workflows, or just giving your content a broader reach.